Hello, current and potential clients. I'm Jay Davis, General Manager here at Butler Nissan. We understand that this is a very unpredictable and quite frankly uneasy time. We want to assure you that both your health and the health of our associates is our first priority. I'd like to share with you some of the steps we are taking to ease any anxiety you may have about visiting our store and make sure you are aware of the options we offer. First, we have scheduled with our cleaning agency a nightly deep cleaning that includes all high traffic and high touch areas like door handles, telephones, keyboards, and vehicle interiors after test drives. We have also scheduled 2 cleanings during business hours that include those same high touch areas. In addition, there are hand sanitizer and disinfectant stations set up throughout the dealership to be used by both our customers and our employees at their discretion. Next, in our service department, we have added plastic seat, steering wheel, and shift knob covers and ask our service advisors and technicians to wear disposable gloves. When your vehicle is finished in service, these protective items will be discarded by our staff and the door handles and keys will be wiped down with disinfectant wipes. We also want to remind our customers that we offer an online express sales process that allows you to pick your vehicle of interest, get an e-price, adjust your down payment, monthly payment, and term options that best fit your budget. Apply for financing, get a Kelley Blue Book instant cash offer for your trade, and see the exact payment all from the comfort of your home. Should you choose this option, we will be glad to deliver your vehicle to your home at no additional charge anywhere in the state of Georgia. Last, as much as we love to shake hands, we are showing our appreciation with a friendly hello and a warm smile instead. On behalf of Butler Nissan, thank you for your support. Stay safe and healthy, friends, and we hope to see you soon.